Monday. I hope you're all ready to have another amazing week over here over in Prince City. Guys, welcome. Happy Mother's Day to everybody. Hopefully you guys got to do something fun yesterday. Now we're back. So let's take a little bit of a look at some of the economic data coming out this week here. We did get a little bit here. Empire State Manufacturing Survey. Goolsby was on television at 9:15. We're going to get Playboy Kari, Neil Kashkari speaking. Tomorrow, we got some data here, retail sales, capacity utilization, business inventories, home builder confidence index. That'll be an interesting one. Fed Vice Chair Barr testifying, interesting one too. A lot of Fed speakers coming on. So in the weeks following the Fed meetings, we're going to see a lot of these Fed speakers starting to heat back up. Wednesday, some housing data, jobs report Thursday, more housing and more Fed speakers. But a lot of Fed speakers this week. Jesus. Oh, wow. Friday at 11, Chair Powell and former Bernanke speaking on the panel. Ooh, Friday at 11 is going to be spot. Maybe we'll stay on and watch that. Friday at 11, maybe? Powell and Bernanke speaking. That's interesting. It's a panel, so I don't know how crazy that's going to get. They're going to ask him questions, but I don't know. That could be very interesting to look at. But team, again, as you guys are filtering in here, make sure you guys slap the literal living shit out of the like button. Again, if you do hit 500, we will do ankles. So for those of you guys that do want that, you weirdos, make sure you guys hit that on the way in. You foot fetish fucks. All right, let's see here. Who we got in here this morning? We got Andrew, Josh, Dr. Bob, Francisco, Pirate, Tor, Daily Taylor. What up, team? How are we doing? Let's have a good day. T8, you're tracking REITs. One more downswing, then back up. Honestly, I'm not a fan of REITs. I got into a debate with one of my real estate professors one time, and I was like, well, why would you ever buy a REIT when you could just put all that money into an actual investment? I was like, it's unlevered. Yeah, you're getting the dividend and whatever, but the underlying is probably just going to get eaten. And he was like, well, you can lever it up with bonds. And I was like, why would I fucking try to lever it up with some weird bonds when I could just go out and buy the damn house? Why? He's like, oh, but commercial. I was like, fair point on the commercial stuff, but it's not commercial. So I don't know what you're talking about. Just spent 40 hours driving the past 5 days. Good to be back home. Damn, Hork. That's ridiculous. What is up, team? How are we doing? I hope you guys are ready to have a good day, man. Nancy's looks interesting here. NVIDIA does have earnings coming up next week, I believe. Careful on that. The premiums are going to start to inflate a little bit on this thing. Wednesday, May 24th. So towards the end of this week, you're probably going to see the NVIDIA premiums inflate across the board, which should be fun. We'll see if you're in early enough. You might get a little premium increase there just based on into the earnings event, especially if you get the direction right of where the market wants to go. Where are we sitting right now? 412.40. We're up 82 cents or 81 cents, 0.2% from close on Friday. We did see this interesting gap up here. Honestly, we've seen this gap up sell-off a lot recently over the last 4 days here. So it might just be happening again. Me neither, but they're getting cheaper. Yeah, fair enough. If you're just hunting yield, go for it. Do what you want to do. REITs are always going to have pretty high dividend yields. So, okay, that's what I smell. Yep, that's vodka. We need to get that out of here. Hold on. I was like, what's that smell, bro? I was like, why do I smell vodka right now? And I was like, oh, it's right there. Something right there. Yeah, no, I don't want to be smelling that when I'm going through the market, dude. That would be terrible. Let's see. Apple looking interesting. Yeah, we can take a look. TLT right back down. Yeah, Apple looks all right over here. Good times. Back to 411.41 near open again. Dude, I don't know. Vodka this early? No, that was left over from Saturday night. I also said, I told you guys Thursday that I wasn't going to go to the playground this weekend. Yep, I lied. I was there twice. So, 5 likes away from 50 already. We got almost 100 of you guys in here that haven't hit the like button yet. Keep doing that, team. Keep out spreading this information out to everybody over here. And for those of you guys that are still sitting on the outside that have not checked out trade1348.com yet, here you guys go. You get your first month completely free. Go test it out. Watch all the learning videos. Use all of the tools. Dude, once you guys see the light and why everybody's having so much success, the whole world is going to open up for you guys. So the link is at the top of the live chat as well. I can throw that in here for you guys as well. But use code GAINS at checkout, GAINZ, and you guys get your first month for free. There you guys go. No judging. No. I'm not drinking vodka in the morning, dude. I like day drinking, not during the week though. During the week, I'm a saint. I'm such a good boy during the week. So well behaved. I'm in bed early. I work all day. I go to the gym. I eat good. And then on the weekend, I'm a completely different animal. I'm a different animal, but the same beast. All right, let's see. Let's have a good day today, guys. Happy fucking Monday. Let's get after it. Worse since October, that previous market low period. Interesting. Yeah, SPY at the 3-minute 200 here. Dude, if we I mean, all my levels are still being pretty well respected, like this 413.70, this 411.28. I mean, you can see it here, bounce off of it, come down, retest, sell off, blows up through, comes right back down, comes down to this level. Oh, what happens? Breakthrough. Are you kidding me right now? Are you serious right now? All right, let's see. You start the day with a joint? I wouldn't do that if you're trading. That's a really stupid idea. Like, really stupid. I mean, if you want to do that, it's up to you. It's your money. You can do whatever you want with it. But would I participate in the market when I'm drunk or high? No. That's a silly thing to do. But, I mean, you can see all these levels being respected. So, we're going to keep these on here until they really, like, the market just decides, like, it's going to create new levels that are more recent, that are going to be respected a little bit more. But we'll see today, man. I mean, this is getting interesting in the pre-market. I mean, you can see it right here. It's bouncing off the 3-minute 200. But yeah, make sure you guys are hopping into the platform. First month free, guys. And those of you guys that still need to get masterclass, if you want to watch Gabe stream in the mornings, if you want to get my midweek masterclasses, if you want all the new tools, you want the Sunday masterclasses, make sure you guys are hopping in. I mean, those of you guys that are in master, I'm sure that you guys are seeing a lot of progress in the way that you view the market, and the things that we're telling you guys is really, really, really helping. I mean, you guys, even yesterday's masterclass, I know a lot of you guys got a lot of value out of that because I do it all the time and I get a lot of value out of it. You've not woke up without a joint in over 20 years? Dude, it's like you're fucking multivitamins. Jesus. Masterclass yesterday was on point. Thank you, Tor. Yeah, guys, make sure you're hopping in. All you got to do is go to your settings area of platform, click Get Master, and you guys are good to go in there with us. And it's not like anything in the past that we've done with Master. When you guys do join, you get access to all of it. The amount of learning in that library with Master is insane, dude. I think what we'll do, so for this Wednesday's midweek masterclass, we're either going to do a live back testing session where I show you guys what to look for, or there was one other thing that I wanted to do with you guys. It was either going to be an expansion on what we did last week, running the wheel, or we were going to go back into futures and talk a little bit about that. But all right, guys, what do we got? 22 minutes to go until the ding ding. First, take care of head. Okay, now we're going off the rails here. Now we're talking about other shit. If you're serious about this, Master Tool will change your trading, no doubt. Tor, I appreciate you, buddy. Yeah, it does. That's why we created it for you guys. Those of you guys that want to take it to the next level, hop in. Hop in, man. It'll probably be one of the best financial decisions that you make, not only in 2023, but for the rest of your trading career. You get to learn from me. You get to learn from Gabe. You get to see Gabe in real time. He live trades on Wednesdays too, just kind of showing everybody, going quick. Your vote, futures? Interesting. We could do that. I could show you some stuff. I trade futures in two different ways. One of them allows me to set stops further. And then the other one is like super tight stops, like a point and a half of risk. And I'm scaling out at like a 1.5 to 2 points, and then throwing a stop at break even and saying, fuck it. Like, when I scalp futures, it's quick. But then the other way I do it, I like to. I probably won't show you guys that one. We'll have some fun. Yeah, I still have to make the public futures video. I got a debt limit video coming out. I've got I probably have 2 or 3 videos coming out for you guys too this week. So make sure that all you guys have notifications turned on for the channel. You click that bell button so you're notified every single time I post a video or go live. But I mean, right now, market's pretty slow. I mean, we're seeing it just, SPY's just chilling at the 3-minute 200. Nothing crazy. Nothing crazy, dude. So, I mean, we had this nice gap up. I mean, the Empire State Manufacturing might have sold it off a little bit, but we'll see. We've seen a lot of these days recently where you see the morning gap up, you see it sell off, and then in the afternoon, it rips right back up. If they're going to play that game constantly, I mean, I've shown you guys so many times how we can easily take advantage of it. The TikTok has been fire with the lessons. Cody, I appreciate that, buddy. Yeah, follow me on TikTok, follow me on Instagram. Got a lot of good. I got to make more of those this week for you guys. Tesla moving a bit. Tesla was moving to the downside from what I saw. Yeah, nothing crazy. I mean, it's coming down to these levels in here. Let's just see if it wants to push back up. AMD, I mean, I'm really interested in chips this week. In NVIDIA and AMD going into NVIDIA's earnings next week, I think we're going to start to see a little bit more volatility on this thing. If you look at NVIDIA, let's just throw it on the hour. I mean, we don't really use the hourly a bunch, but like if you look at this, you were chopping around up here, you rally back up, and then boom, 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 dead right down to this key level here. You flashed it, but you bounced right off of it. It's okay. It's actually going to be easier to see on the daily. This is the range that you've been trading in for a while after the big NVIDIA run. So again, those of you guys that aren't on platform, I mean, you guys saw this daily traffic light right back in here. Even this one was good. This daily traffic light's getting you in at 161. The thing fucking rallies at 280. Boom. There you go. Life-changing money right there. Okay. Like, come on, guy. What are you doing? I feel so like, that's why I say I feel so bad for everybody that's not trading with the traffic lights and all the tools that we provide you guys on platform, like on trade1348.com. Like, what is, come on. But now, recently, you've been kind of chopping around in this range here. This is where Gabe and I were buying. On this bounce, we rode this thing back up. Now you've broken out retest. So, I don't know. Let's see if we want to push up to these highs before earnings. You haven't taken more than 5 points at a time for months with these tight ranges, safety first. Yeah, I like 5 points. If I'm looking for 5, though, I can't have a 1-point risk. Like, it's not going to work. I can't have a 5-to-1 risk to reward on some of these futures trades the way I'm playing them. It's just not, you're going to get stopped out. Unless you like bottom ticket, but like if you're trying to bottom or top tick stuff, I mean, I do it a bunch. You guys have seen me over the last week. If you guys have looked at my Twitter, you can see where where I've bought these and where the contracts are. I've been bottom and top ticking a lot of things, but how am I doing that? One, this is the one thing I wrote those of you guys that are on trade1348.com, I've started to write these articles for you guys. The one that I wrote this morning was about the back testing and the going over the replay. And this is something that I need you guys to understand. And if you don't do this, it's going to take you a lot longer to have success. This is why. When you enter the market every single day, you're looking at 1 day of price action. You're probably, if you're trading smart and not over trading, taking like maybe 2 or 3 trades. You're pushing it at 5. Some of you guys go willy-nilly and you're still doing well. But again, those of you guys that are taking more trades are just scalping really quick. Well, you're looking at 1 day of price action. And what most of you guys are doing is you're saying, okay, I win or I lose. I move on. I think about what I did. You think you know what you did right or wrong, but you don't. What you have to do is first step 1. And again, make sure you're reading all those articles I'm writing for you guys on trade1348.com. Those are ridiculous. So the first step is to journal your trades and write down where you were entering, exiting, and what you were seeing. The second step is to go back and see, okay, if this trade worked, why did it work? If this trade failed, why did it fail? Sometimes you're going to see trades that fail, that you followed every single rule, and that's fine. Those are the ones that you want to get stopped out on. What you want to eliminate is the trades that fail, that didn't follow rules, that you're like, oh, why was I in that? So then once you go through that process of like a week of trades, you say, okay, I know where I'm messing up, and here's what you do next. You go on the chart, you select your time frame that you want to be trading off of, and you just replay it. You guys saw me. I showed you guys on Saturday. I was sitting at the charts doing it for like 5 hours. I was just sitting here, replay, just listening to podcasts and music, just going over stuff. I do it all the time. And again, this is the thing that you guys have to understand too. And this is what I wrote in the article is I've been studying markets and things and watching charts since I was 14. Now, again, granted, it's not like I'm watching them with the same degree of like expertise as I am now versus previously. Like, obviously, it was different, but just watching charts and price action for that extended period of time, you pick up on things. So, if you've been in the market for a year and a half, 2 years, it's going to take you that amount of time by sitting and staring at price action every single day in order to understand and pick up on those little tiny things that the market likes to do. Well, how can you speed that up? I could go through 50, 60, 100 days of price action in an afternoon. And you pick up on things. You're like, oh, this is what it likes to do. When it does this, it likes to do this next. You start to see things that you didn't before. You have a better understanding of how the market moves. You all need to be doing that. That's how you have success. Like you guys will see, and this is how Gabe and I, you guys will see us on 2 different streams. We're not talking to each other, and I'll say something and I'll be like, oh, I'm looking at this, blah, 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 blah. And he'll say the same exact thing. Why? We've seen it happen hundreds of times. And I still do it. I'm still looking for those extra little things to pick up on to say, okay, this is the one of the ones that we've been looking at recently, the bait and switches. A lot of the things that I've looked at are the bait and switches. This weekend when I was doing it, I was looking for, okay, where's the best spot to start putting stops if I'm going to scalp in this way? That's what I was looking at. Because, yeah, I've made money with futures. Great. But how can I be even better? That's what you have to think. And this is the one thing I heard on Twitter the other day. I forget who said it, but it's spot on. Success breeds complacency. Complacency breeds failure. Only the paranoid survive. And it's so true, because if you start to have success and you get complacent, you think that you are then better than you are. You have to realize, and this sucks to say, you're not shit. You have to say, all right, I'm not nothing. Anything can happen. You know what you know, but you still have to say, you almost, and I kind of think about it like this, where when I was first starting to have success and the way that I was working, it felt like, and this is how I describe it, it feels like you're getting chased by a tiger. You cannot stop. It's not, there's nothing that's going to stop you, because you feel like you just have to keep going forward. And that's almost the same way in the same thing in trading, where you're looking at it and saying, you can't have any lapses of judgment, emotions, risk management, things like that. You always have to be locked in. Always, always, always. All right. There's the first morning rant. There you go, team. All right. Oh, we got like 100 of you guys that haven't hit the like button on the way in yet. Keep smacking that, team. Let's do it. Yeah, but hopefully you guys are learning things. Again, those of you guys that are new to the channel, keep smacking that like button. Let's do it. Let's do it. All right. Let's have a good day, huh? And that's why those of you guys that are doing that in the market and are putting that time away from the screens, you're going to have more success. And once that article's out, I mean, we can start sending announcements about that. The articles that I'm writing for you guys. And the way that I ended it off was those of you guys that still think, oh, I'm just going to come and willy-nilly the market every day. I have a question for you. I have a question. If you see your trade setup, let me phrase it like this. What do you think is going to give you a higher probability of success? Seeing your trade setup play out once or 10,000 times? You all know the answer. No matter what you want to think, oh, I'm busy, oh, I got work, oh, I got that. Nope. If you want to have success, you have to put the time in. It is mandatory. So again, for those of you guys that still want to hop in for your first month for free, there you guys go. QR code on the screen. I'll throw that link in the live chat for you guys too. There you guys go. Use code GAINZ, GAINZ, and you guys are all good to go. Love from heaven. It's not, we're not in heaven today. It's not that bright. Turkey doubled Russian Urals oil imports for the first half of May versus the same period of April. Interesting. Do the charts work on futures? Yep, I use them. I use them with futures. So I actually this morning too, because I was back testing with ES on here, on TradingView. I just paid for the $5 for the real-time market data on futures. I was like, if I'm charting on it and back testing with it, I might as well just pay the $5 and have the live data, so then I can see it better. I also like the TradingView charts better than the Ninja charts. Yeah, they work great on futures. And this is the other thing too. Like, you guys see me like here, like I'm talking to you guys all the time. I'm trading options, I'm trading futures, I'm looking at other stuff. Like, I got a lot of things going on. There's a lot of things circulating around in here. I mean, there's certain times where I look at specific things. Like, I don't really like to trade futures before 10. There's a window with futures that I like to trade in, and then I trade them in the afternoon, depending on if I'm big green or slightly red for the day. If I'm red, I probably just burn it or take a little baby trade. Where's SPY? Okay. Yep, 83 cents so far. 9 minutes to go until open, team. Let's do it. Keep smacking that like button on the way in. Let's have a good day today. Let's have a real good day, huh? Yeah, they're great. You got my double like. Thank you, winning loser. Appreciate that, buddy. All right. What do we got? 8 minutes. Nancy, what are you doing here, buddy? I mean, we got to see what happens at open. Like, this thing, if the SPY just like opens and then just goes, then Nancy's going to come down with it. Nancy was really weak like last week. Very, very, very weak. When's my lease up? No, I already renewed it. I'll be here for a while. I like it here. It's expensive as fuck, but like, I like it. So, good morning, handsome. Good morning, Chris. Thanks for the compliment. I appreciate that. Until January? No. Mine's I mean, it would have been up in July when I moved here, but I extended that lease. How much is rent? I'm not telling you that. You're going to look at me and be like, what the fuck? It's ridiculous. Oh, yeah, I like it here until the winter. Yeah, I hate it here in the winter. Let's make lots of money today. That's what we do, bro. That's what we do. Expensive AF. Yeah. Oh, also, fun fact. I don't know why I couldn't send this to you guys in the Discord. It like won't send me videos. I'm laying in my bed Friday night, story time before market open. I'm laying in my bed. All of a sudden, I hear these like jerk offs outside just revving engines. And like there's some nice cars floating around here. Like if you start revving it, like it could be a Lambo, could be something just rolling around. So I'm like, first of all, fuck off. Why are you revving your Lambo at like this late? Like, why are you being an asshole? Then all of a sudden, I hear these loud booms. Sounds a little bit like gunshots, but it's not. And I'm like, what are they doing outside? Is it like an exhaust firing? Like, is it like backfiring or something? And I was like, no. Then all of a sudden, I start to hear after the crackle or after the booms, crackling. Like, and I think to myself, are these motherfuckers setting off fireworks? And those of you guys have seen my thumbnails. Like, it's built like city buildings. Like, and I'm like, there's no way this is allowed. So I go to my window and I look outside, and these fucking people at 2:30 or 3 in the morning are setting off not like fireworks that you get at the store, like, fuck you fireworks, like grand finale level fireworks in the middle of the city, and the airport's like right there. And I'm like, there's no way that this is allowed. And it goes on for like 30 or 40 minutes. After the first 5 minutes, I was like, all right, like there's clubs everywhere. Like there's cops always here. No cops. They're shooting them at buildings and stuff. I was like, how is this not allowed? I'm sitting here. I got videos of it, dude. And I'm like, who the fuck are these people? Who the fuck do these people think they are? That they can just walk outside. And it's the funny thing is you can see them. They're like, they have whatever box or whatever it is, lighting it up in the middle of the street. Just boom. I'll see if I can send it to you guys. I might post it on Twitter. It was fucking hilarious. I was like, this is not on my bingo card for today. That was you and your boys celebrating your birthday? Yeah, winning loser. It wasn't you. It wasn't you. It was pretty wild, bro. I was like, let them have the chowder. I don't know, man. All right, guys. We got 4 minutes to go until open. Those of you guys that haven't hit the like button yet, make sure you guys do that. Costs you nothing to do. It helps me out a whole bunch. Spreading the good word of what we're doing over here for retail investors, helping them print in a way that you guys have never seen before. Remember, everybody has access to 1 month free. It's up to you to take action in whether or not you want to actually put that best foot forward in the market. So trade1348.com, guys. Use code GAINZ, GAINZ. You get a whole month for free. SPY, closing candle down below this 3-minute 200. Interesting. Nancy's still holding on here, but not looking too great. I would be asking where they got fireworks of that size. Well, I'm pretty sure you can get them in New Hampshire, which is like right here, I think. Hold on. Let me see if I can. This is the video. Hold on. Let me see if I can pull this up for you guys really quick. All right. Can you see this? Ready? They're lighting off fireworks in the middle of the street. Wild, bro. Wild. You guys saw that, right? Like, you guys can see it. I might throw it on Twitter a little bit later. Just be like, what the fuck are these people doing? Hashtag winning? I don't know about all that, man. Nancy, here we go. Dude, I just thought that was wild. I was like, you're shooting fireworks for no fucking reason. All right, folks. 50 seconds till the ding ding. Keep smacking that like button on the way in. We're going to have a good day today. We are going to have some fun today, bro. All right. Boston won game 2. Oh, sweet. All right, let's get it, people. Oh, Nancy. SPY contracts 2 weeks out. I nearly the same Greeks as. Really? That's interesting. All right, 10 seconds. Here we go. Ready for the ding ding. Here we go. Market open. All right. That's pretty good. What's Nancy? Fuck you, Nancy. All right, let's see. All right. Order filled. Yeah, scaled out of some SPY calls, the same ones that I had and I was showing you guys about Friday. Those were up like, I don't know, like 19% at close on Friday. They're up 34 now. So I just scaled out half of those again. All right, let's see what we get here, team. SPY slippage, Nancy little slippage. Where's Tessie? Tessie death, AMD death. Let's see if Nancy can hold here. That's a pretty big drop, bro, from this gap here. That's pretty big. I'd love to see Nancy push up through these little pre-market highs here. I don't know if it's going to be able to do it, though. Nancy's been pretty weak. It's been pretty weak. All right, where's Facebook? Facebook, hello. Tessie eating its way back up. AMD having no fun. Apple holding on. Let's see. All right, 1 minute into open. All right, let's see. Yeah, I'm up like 1-2% off this so far, off that scale out. Pretty good. Pretty good, man. AMD pulling up. Man. I mean, what do we have for data coming out? We had Kashkari speaking. SPY having no fun, dude. I mean, Wreck-It Ralph, we might see that 411.41 or 411.30 down here. We might see that. Also, hold on. What's good with my live chat? Are you guys not here? Where'd you guys go? Where'd you go? What are you guys looking at? No. Nancy, no fun. SPY knife. We talked Baba yet? No. What's up with Baba? Is this thing at 90, bro? 87. Damn. I mean, I had that. I was all over this. I just had to. Next time. Next time. All right. Baba flickering around, not doing much. SPY just getting killed. Nancy's holding this 3-minute 200 so far. I mean, it's not looking great, especially if the SPY keeps knifing like this. Where's Tessie? Still holding. Facebook sharked a little. Let's see. What's going on Twitter? Anything useful? I don't see much. Nothing on the let me see on the news feed. No. Yeah, I don't see much on the news feed here. Little poppage here, nothing crazy. Actually, here's what we're gonna do. All right. HD for 15%. Good shit, Wreck-It Ralph. There you go, buddy. There you go. Yeah, SPY's coming down to that level here. So 411.50. Watch for 411.12. Yeah, 411.30 here. There's 411.41, 411.30. Dude, this thing is just getting whopped right now. Just fucking hit. Look at Nancy doesn't give a fuck. Let's see. I almost want to take it off of this. This is a bit iffy here. It's right down to our level, 411.28. Soros, old fund manager. He was one of the yeah, there's that bounce. He was one of the people involved with Stanley Druckenmiller, I believe, actually, with shorting the pound one of these times, and it was a very, very interesting situation. I would go research that. It's a very, they made billions on that bet. Billions, dude. It was pretty cool. And they just like full tilt YOLO'd it. Like they also kind of engineered their own sell off. Like it's a very interesting story of what George Soros did to make a fuckload of his money. Shadowy figure. I mean, people have wild opinions about him. He's one of those like shadow elite type of figures that you got there. Let's see what we got here. SPY coming back down. Let's see what we got. It was a pretty aggressive sell-off there. All right, let's see. Let's see what we got. Let's see if we get a bounce here if this thing just gets killed. If this breaks lows, it's going to be iffy. Let's see here. Cool. Yeah, breaking lows here. That's not ideal. This thing's just knifing, bro. Like just knife land. Let's see. All right, moving back up a little. There she goes. Let's see what we got. All right. Where's Nvidia? Nvidia slipping. There's 411.50 again. It's just kind of chopping around in this little range here. Let's see. Pac W running. Yeah, I'm not touching any of the bank stocks right now, man. They just not for me. Not for me, man. NEM just announced a major deal in the mining industry. Interesting. Yeah, SPY bouncing here. Ooh, shark. A little sharky shark there. All right, let's see what we got. Nancy cracked that 200. Wow, big candle there. AMD fucking around. SPY back up. Let's see. Kashkari labor market is still not as frothy as 9 months ago, but still strong overall. Okay. All right, guys. Oh, keep smacking that like on the way in. What up, team? Good morning, everybody. Hopefully you guys are having a good day so far. Let's see what we got here. SPY's just kind of consolidating at these lows here. Let's see if I can break this or fuck around and do something. Let's see. A little slippage here. It's teetering at 411.50 here, dude. Teetering. Just teetering. Kashkari, we should not be fooled by a few months of good data. Fed has more work to do. Inflation is much, much too high. That's not great there, dude. That's not great statements there. Let's see. Exxon Daily, check it out when the market chills. Yeah, I will. I like the oil stocks. There was some news about Russia and oil this morning. All right, what does this want to do here? A lot of choppiness in here today. A lot of choppiness headed into 10. Let's see. 41160 rejected. Let's oh wow, 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 wow. Nvidia came screaming up there. Hold on. There you go. A little screamage on Nvidia. Good afternoon. Wrecker Rob, I'm quick with the news, bro. I'm quick with that news. Don't play with me on the news, buddy. I'm quick. All right. All right, I got to run to the bathroom for like 2 seconds. I will be right back. Make sure you guys hit that like on the way in. I'll throw that link to trade1348.com in here for you guys too. Everybody gets their first month for free. The best learning tools on the face of the planet for retail investors. So there you guys go. Use code GAINZ, GIANZ, but I'll be back in like 2 seconds. See how quick that was? See how quick we are, bro? Let's see. Let's see what we get here, folks. This market's looking a bit iffy right now. It's a bit iffy. This could go either way. Watch out. Watch out, man. This could get a little spicy here. 1-2, he's not back yet? Yes, I am. Don't play with me. Let's see. You're just not giving me shit, bro. Nancy 285. There you go. Let's see what we get here, team. Little market slippage here. Let's see. It's getting bought up a little. Let's see if this gets bought up here, if it just gets killed. Let's see if they buy this. Back to 411.50 or knife through to 411. Let's see. Nah, it looks like they want to knife this. Yeah, watch out. What? Oh, ES is holding for now, but SPY's not looking great. If the buyers are going to lose this again, which it looks like they're gonna, this could get iffy to the downside. Yeah, yeah, here it goes. My 411.30 spot on for the wicks. Dude, I know. It's nasty. All right. 11 minutes until 10. Let's see. All right. No, don't use log, Jordan. Yeah, don't use log. All right. We've got those weird levels from pre-market here that we could bounce off of. Yeah, watch 411 here. It's trying. It's doing its best. Nancy ran, then sharked with the SPY. New low. Yeah, there's a break of 411 quick. This thing might just go cliff diving, though. I mean, that's what it looks like. Nah, they bought it there. This thing is just wildly overcooked, too. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see if they 410 again. No, they would need to really bounce this thing up in order for this thing to come back. It's just teetering here, bro. This is on the verge of like, spaghetti-o market. All right, little rally back up here. Let's see if we can get back to like 411.20. Doesn't want it. Back to 411. Let's see. No, here it comes. Yeah, you need some serious buyers stepping up here in order for this thing to get going. You are right at that bullshit 8 a.m. candle. I mean, really get like for a nice rally back up, you got to break above this high of this 3-minute candle. That's why I'm saying 411.20. That's right where it is. Let's see. No, doesn't want it here. I mean, it's trying to hold 411. A retest of 411.30 would be interesting. Because it just hasn't retested yet. It just knifed right through and did fuck all after. It's trying. 411.09, 10. It's just no buy. It doesn't look like the buyers are stepping up at all. No. I mean, ES is holding here, but it's not really doing much. No, there's 411. Let's see. Yeah, we got 5 minutes until 10 as well. You could get some big candles around 10. Is this going to break a low here? It looks like it wants a low. Yeah, ES just made a new low. Yeah, it's just selling, dude. Just selling. Slip, slip, slip. The buyers are on vacation. That's what it looks like. That is what it looks like, bro. Let's see, Nancy slipping. That's hilarious. My spies are still green. Ralph, you saying upside? Yeah, I don't hate that. Okay. 3 minutes. Nancy slipping. Where's AMD? Probably doing the same thing. Yep. Tessie. Whoa, Tesla. Holy shit. Look at this traffic light. There you go. Holy shit, dude. Let's see. Ooh, we are 15 likes away from 150. Thank you as well, team. Yeah, there's not really much that I like here. I mean, AMD, a lot of things are just kind of chopping around. Tessie's knifing. I would almost like to play the reversal on that one later. Facebook looked pretty good here on the 1 minute. The 3 minutes probably looking great. Yeah, you're right at this 3 minute 200. I don't like that. Baba just sold right off to the level, then bounced. 7.6% on Tesla, done for the day. Good shit, buddy. All right, let's see. And more lows. More lows, more lows, more lows. This thing just loves the break here, dude. It flashed it quick. All right, 9:59. Now we're coming into 10. See if the market wants to do any wizard shit here. They're hunting that 410.71. Oof, dude, this thing is just knifed. Look at this. This is what it's been doing. Gap up, tank every time. Look at this. Gap up, tank. Gap up, tank. Gap up, tank. Like 1, 2, 3, 4 days in a row. It's done the exact same fucking thing. So let's see if we can hunt something good here. Because we know what it wants to do later. We know what it's going to want to do later. Let's see. No, sold right back off into. Apple trying to thigh gap. The 3 probably, yeah. Yeah, it is. SPY back to 411. How much time's left on this candle? 15 seconds. Okay. All right. Everything's starting to move back up here a little bit. All right, and then we need that. Cool. Let's see what this thing wants to do here. Saw the intro on the last video. Got hype. Looks clean. Nico, thank you, buddy. I appreciate that. Let's see what market wants to do. If we get another test of 411 and then a bounce, that could get interesting. Let's see. Come on. Come on. Do something. All right. Let's see. So you tested that 411 here. Let's see what it wants to do. I don't hate this. I don't hate it. Let's see if we get that rally back up. SPY's trying to thigh gap a little here. You gotta look and see if you're gonna get that test of 411.30 again if this thing wants to come back up. All right. Game on, market. Let's have some fun today. How much time left on this 3-minute candle? 6 seconds, 5 seconds. Running up through the high of this 3-minute candle. Yeah, here we go. Come on, market. Let's see what you got in the tank today. 411.30 would get interesting if it tested there again. Unless they just murder this right back down, which is possible, but I don't think they're going to do it. That's a big sell-off for, like, no reason. Who knows, though? Who knows? Nancy back down to 283. Jesus. Yeah, RSI is curling on the SPY. It's trying to thigh gap on the 3. The first thing that you need to see is a test of 411.30 if it wants to go there. Let's see if it can hold 411. This is now on the 5. Go back to the 3. A little slippage here. ES trying to do a good job of holding. It's just, they might hunt lows here. For 1090, 87, selling again. Eating up a little. 4% on the port with the Amazon traffic light might be done for Monday. I think that's a good idea. If you nailed it 4% on the port, there's really no reason to trade anymore, man. There really isn't. What's the point? What's the point of trading more? Slippage, slippage, slippage. One tick from the low, breaking new lows. Here are the lows. That was a big candle. Oh, damn, bro. Damn, son. Look at that. Look at that move down. Woo. Woo. Made your first 1348 trade this morning for a quick scalp, 8.87% RRI. Thanks for your videos. Zachary, no problem, buddy. That's what we're here for. Congratulations. For everybody that's still interested too, remember, free first month. Link at the top of the live chat, QR code on the screen. Let's get after it, man. Dude, look at this knife. Look at this. Oh my Lord, this is Knife City. Damn. Yeah, now you're right at my level. SPY, still going. Still going. Jeez, dude. 5% on the day, SPY puts running at 20%. Let them run. There you go, Mike. Fuck yeah, buddy. That's awesome. Let's yeah, no. That didn't really do much here. Let's see what we get. Right at my daily level here of 410.50. Nancy selling. Watch that 281.19 again on NVIDIA. May have found a level here, stop in place. I think so. We'll see. I mean, that was a big fuck you candle coming down. Like a real big fuck you candle. You would need some big buying to come and step this. Dixie 102.5. Interesting. Uh, 410.50. Nah, it's just chopping. Let's see. Let's see what we get here. It's trying to move back up a little. Right back down. All right. This is a big move, dude, off of this nice strong buying it like over in the overnight session. Like that's pretty big seeing that just get tanked like that. Yeah, ES coming down to new lows too. SPY next day contracts move. Yeah, you got to be quick with them. Exxon new lows with limited support below. Oh yeah, let's take a look at Exxon. What's the daily saying? Daily, right at the daily 200. I would want to see a push off of it in order for me to say, oh, level bounce, and then start to get going. SPY not looking good. That's a new low. So Tessie chopping around here. All right, SPY, what do you want to give us? What do you want to give us? Doesn't look like it wants to give anybody much of anything. Kashkari, no one has articulated what problem a central bank digital current. Oh, they're talking about CBDCs. You're in September contracts. Interesting. Shouldn't bank stocks move down when the SPY comes down? They're all up. They can have individual news. Like they could have their own individual news and say, "Oh, the banking sector is strong today," and then they start to rally. But yeah, ooh, guys, 9 likes away from 150, and there's over 100 of you guys in here that haven't hit it yet. Again, for those of you guys that still need to hop into masterclass as well, I believe the masterclass people should be hopping back in any second. Make sure that you guys do that, man. Go to platform, go to your settings in your subscriptions area, click get master, and you guys are good to go. Watch Gabe stream every single morning, the midweek masterclasses, the Sunday masterclasses, the new tools. You do not want to miss out on that, man. Let's see. Yeah, I didn't hate that. Oh, they're here. What up, team? How we doing? HD at a critical level. Where's Home Depot? From where? Oh, right here. Yeah. You can see a nice bounce on Home Depot there. Yeah. SPY tried to come back up. It's just retesting this 410.42. Kashkari, deeply skeptical of CBDC, though will keep an open mind. Oh, HD has earnings tomorrow? Oh, thank you. Yeah, I'm not going anywhere near that then. Not touching that. I don't know, man. I'm just hunting. Like, I don't see much that I like. Maybe I'll just do the thing that I usually do. Wait for that, like these afternoon reversals and just drill them. That makes the most sense at this point. Like, if you miss the morning move, you can just wait for the bounce later. Oh, I'm out of coffee too. Shit. Up 5.1% on the port for the day and done. Walking away. Attaboy, winning loser. Again, guys, you are like every single week you guys one up yourselves with the gains. So again, for those of you guys that still need to hop in for your first month free, there you guys go. Link in the live chat. So, levels up and down on the SPY. I mean, I'm watching this 410.50 pretty closely. I mean, you do have these levels down in here too, 409.30, 409, 408.87 if you really start to get selling. But I mean, it almost looks like this right here. You're coming down to these levels, you rally, you sell back off. I mean, you're just waiting to see what this thing actually wants to do. You're peaking back up above that 410 right here. You need some big candles though in order for this thing to be like, yeah, it's probably going to come back up with a retest. Like break it up above here. And it's just not doing it. Let's see. Nancy's still getting screwed. Yeah, SPY went from solid green at 413 to pretty big red. Like this is a $3 move to the downside from the pre-market here. That's big. That's not something to be like, oh, it didn't really move. That's a big move. Let's see. Here it comes peaking a little. No, getting sold into a little. I don't hate that move. Nope, didn't get it. on. What is this? Yeah, no, it's not doing it here. It's trying. The Fed speaker-a-thon doesn't help today, in and out for it. Yeah, I mean, it's going to be a lot of Fed speakers coming in, like a bunch of them. That showed a little bit of a sign of strength there, but on that nice pop candle up, the problem is it just got sold right into. So personally, I'm just waiting to see this thing really get. There could be one there. No, you're gonna need a lot for this thing to. Ooh. Hello. Good afternoon. See if this holds. A little volatility picking up here. Ooh, nope. Here's 410.71. Let's see. All right, let's see if we get this rim here on the 3. Oh, that's a blast off, dude. Look at this. That's blowing right through. That's pretty big. Let's see. There we go. Put signal printed in pre-market both times, moves validated by later price action, but Gabe mentioned in the training video not to take the pre-market call and put trades. Is that because the signal is not as strong? No, it's because it's not actionable. You can't buy it when the signal is actually firing off. You have to wait for an actionable signal that happens in front of your eyes. You can't just be like, oh, cool, willy-nilly. I'm just going to, no. That's not how it works. Let's see. That's the reasoning for it. It's like you have to see it happen in front of your eyes where you can actually take the trade. If you can't take the trade, then it's not actionable. Yeah. So I had some calls off those lows there. That was pretty good. The spies had more time on them, so they're up a little. Just biting a little bit. Just a little bit of a bite. Let's see. It's struggling at this recent high here. I mean, I wouldn't put it past it to sell off, retest, and then get going. Like a little bit of a retest, maybe down at the where those red traffic lights are. I wouldn't put it past it at all, and then start making that move up to 411.30. No, here it goes. Buyers are stepping up. It's on the 48 on the 1 minute. Yeah, that's a new high. Oops, oops, oops. Yeah, it is fighting this 48 on the 1 minute. I mean, you still got to, you could easily do a nice little 1 minute rim here, but you do have that 1 minute traffic like that. All of you guys on platform would have seen. All of yous. All of you people. It's back above 411 here, dude. That's pretty aggressive. What are these called up now? 7%. Not bad. Not bad. I mean, these are part of a bigger thesis here. Just sniping the lows, man. It's really not that difficult. Let's see. I do want to see a rim, though. I do want to see a rim. I don't know if it's going to give it to us, though. Like, you could just scream right back up to 411.30. But typically when you see this, I mean, you're probably getting a rim. You missed the morning moves. Had to deal with the AC repairman. Oh, boy. That sounds shitty. That sounds like no fun there. Where is this? No, here she goes. That's interesting. QQQ rim. Yeah, SPY should be. Nah, SPY's above. Where's the 5 minute? 5 minute rimming. All right, I'm gonna throw a limit order on these, the ones that I just bought. Get a scale out of half of them. See if I can get that, which I think I can. They're up 10.5% right now. Yeah, that was quick as fuck, though. A little sell off here. Oh, it touched the 24 on the 3 minute? Oh, that's nasty. Yeah, that's nasty. Let's see how far they push this candle down. Or if they do it at all. I mean, it's right back up right now. Five-minute rim. I don't know. I want to see if I can get this scale out and then just kind of chill. Like, I already sold a bunch of them. I bought some more. So, I mean, this is why we have our daily levels up here, team. Comes right back down, flashes it a little bit on the 5-minute, and then bloop, right back up. Simple. Simple, simple, simple. Are they going to give me this scale out? They might right now. I'm 2 cents away from the scale out. So if it flashes up to the height of this candle, I should get it. I should get it. It's just a 10% scale out. Nothing crazy. The trade has a lot of time on it anyway, so it's like, whatever. Leave it be. Yeah, either way. SPY struggling to break the 24 on the 3-minute, RSI not going past 50. Right. That's what I'm saying here. That's why I'm hunting for potential downside here. Like I bought it off the lows. That's why I'm just trying to get a scale out, which I don't think I'm about to get. Watch out for a big fuck you candle coming in here in a minute. Everything's just teetering. Teeter, teeter, teeter. Which way are we gonna go? The 24 edition to Trade 38 was a game changer for me. Thank you, Gabe and STV. Wreck-It Ralph, no problem, buddy. Congratulations. I mean, you guys see it every single day. The amount of printings that's done by me, by Gabe, by the community. I'll throw that link in here for you guys once again. Everybody gets their first month free with code GAINS. If you're not doing that at this point, I don't know what's wrong with you. All right, this might be my scale out here. It's a penny away. Hit it, fucker. Come on, you bitch. Are you serious, bro? Yeah, come on. Come on. Come on. Take it. Take it. Take it. Take it. You're really going to be this much of an asshole to me right now, Market? That's how we're playing this? Come on. Uppy. Uppy. Scale out. Gimme. Gotta admit, you guys have created something awesome here with this trading strategy. Only been here for 3 days and learning, but I see the possible benefits. Fuck yeah, Jordan. That's awesome, dude. Congratulations. Yeah. Very manageable way to learn. That's why we've made it for you guys in the way that we have, man. Congratulations to everybody that's in there with us. For those of you guys still on the outside, there's still time to get your first month free. It's not going to last forever, though. And for those of you guys that want to join Master, you guys got to get on that, too. It's like the things that we're showing you guys in Masterclass is ridiculous. Here we go. That had to have taken it. Yeah, that scaled me out there. So that was a scale out of half of them. That's pretty good. That's pretty nice. I'll take it. Yeah, that one was too quick. Here comes the market just screaming. Screaming! Here we go. Watch these levels up in here. 411.70. Watch that. Yeah, these are now up 16%. The ones that I just grabbed off these lows. Pretty good. Pretty good, dude. Not that hard, guys. It is not that hard. Keep it simple. Keep it simple. Nancy's starting to come up here a little bit. Hello. Just the chart makes it worth it? Yeah, dude, Jordan, the chart is nasty. The chart's nasty. Nah. One minute on Nancy looks a bit spicy. Watch out for a rim. I'm still up like 15% on this SPY trade. Ooh, 1 second. Ooh, we got some packages coming in, team. We got some packages coming in. That'll be fun. Yeah, we got some cool stuff coming. Very, very, very cool stuff coming. So let's see. Market's not. I mean, it didn't really want this one here. Yeah, we might have to cut the stream a little bit early. I got a lot of. I mean, this is work stuff that's getting delivered. Yeah, we just gotta see what it is, and then we'll get going. I think it's the desk, the thing. We got a lot of cool stuff coming in. But team, keep smacking that like button on the way in. Let's get after it. Let's see what this market wants to give us here. I would not be surprised if we could take this thing to the downside here. You just need to get that clear signal of, oh, here it comes, which we haven't gotten yet. Hopefully it's a non-overheating camera. One of them is a camera like this. I just don't know what's what, like what's arrived today. If it's oversized packages, it's the desk and then some other stuff. And then some other stuff. All right, market. What are we doing? Nancy with a bit of a retest here. 1 minute looks interesting. 3 minute looks good too. Hunted a traffic light, I bet here. Yep. Did I buy a synthetic girlfriend? No. No, I did not. For the OnlyFans ankle freaks? Yeah. Yeah. Well, they're going to be up in a second, guys. It is 10:40 in the morning. I think we're going to wrap it up for today. So, team, that's going to be it for now. We'll have some short form videos out. I'll be working on some longer form videos for you guys a little bit later. Remember, for all you guys that still need to hop in, there's the link to the platform, trade1348.com. Come change your life with us, team. All you guys that still need to get masterclass, you guys know where to go. Subscriptions, click Get Master, and we are all set. So, team, I will see you guys later. Have an amazing rest of your day.